Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Koho account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is head on over, open up a web browser and go to koho.ca. Then from here we want to go ahead and click on the sign me up button. Now there's a few different steps here, so this is step 1 of 8. So we need to put in our email address and choose a strong password and click on create account. Now while you're creating your password, it needs to be 8 characters minimum, 1 uppercase character and 1 lowercase, and then click create account. Now we can save that if you go to a password manager, so I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Now we need to tell Koho a little bit about yourself, so putting your first name, last name, and also your date of birth in a year, month, day format. Then from there, go ahead and click on next. Now what's your address? So go ahead and jot in your address in here, and then go ahead and click on to next. Then choose your occupation. So we've got unemployed, student, retired, disability. So go ahead and choose what your occupation is, and then choose next. Now we need to go ahead and put in your mobile number. Then from there, you're going to get a verification code. So this is just a demonstration number, a fake number that I'm just using for this demonstration. So go ahead and add in your 6-digit code, click next. Then after that, you're going to be able to successfully create your Koho account, and from here we can go ahead and install the Koho app as well. So you can go ahead and install that onto your mobile device, and then you can log in using your credentials, phone number, and you can use the app